Alexa, who's your favorite music artist?
I don't think it gets better than Beyonce. They don't call her Queen Bee for nothing.
So I did something to my hair. Can you tell what it is? Keep watching to find out. What is up, you guys? So today I'm actually straightening my hair, and this is day whatever hair of a twist out. I don't know what's going on, but because my hair is colored, I do need to update the color, so I'll be doing that first. So I washed my hair, and that's what it looks like. Some of the color washed out. So I mixed some Aussie conditioner with my dye just because I was running low, didn't feel like going buying any, and then I used Aussie shampoo. So on the left here is the dye on my hair. On the right, that's me sitting underneath the dryer with a face mask, and yep. So I honestly don't know how long it's been, but my hair is dry and I trimmed it. Usually whenever I straighten my hair, I go get it trimmed. Then I'm gonna bother my mom to do it and probably cut a few layers in as well. So that's me right there, just showing you what the color looks like. So it's much more vibrant and pigmented. Go ahead and start stretching our hair so we can add some heat damage to it. Instead of blow drying my hair, I started stretching my hair. In order to do that, I use a detangling brush, a comb, and I'm using Bodyworks leave-in conditioner. And I try to only use like a leave-in or a moisturizer on my hair. I don't want to have too much product buildup. So I'm just splitting my hair down the middle and then splitting each half into half. So I ended up with 4 sections. You could do more, you can do less, but this just works for me. So I'm making sure to get every knot, every tangle out of my hair and have it as stretched as possible for the best outcome. And I'm just doing a flat twist. You can do a braid, you can do whatever. And this hairstyle is also good in case maybe the next day I don't want to straighten my hair. Now I have a cute twist out or a hairstyle that I can wear. So in total, I ended up with 4 flat twists, and I'm just securing the ends with a rubber band. So that's what it looks like, and now I'm gonna go to sleep. It is officially the next day, and it's time to straighten my hair. So I use a rat tail comb, and here's the Cheese Silk Infusion, or you could also get the generic version from Sally's, which is the exact same thing, exact same amount. It's just the generic one is cheaper. And then I'm using a cheap flat iron that I got from Ulta Beauty, and then a damp cloth. Now I have all the products that I'm using listed down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So the method of twisting of my hair also helps me keep everything neat and organized, so I could just go from one side of my head to the other. So I'm taking about a quarter size amount of my heat protectant and putting it on this section, and I'm taking very small pieces and using the chase method. So I detangle with the rat tail comb and basically use the comb for tension and chase the comb with the flat iron, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? I hope so. I only do about 1 to 3 passes, and then I do a little bump on the ends. Sometimes my bumps look like 90-degree angles, and that's whenever you want to fix it, because that's not cute. So right here, you'll see me mess up. I didn't use the comb. I only used just the flat iron. You can see the end is still wavy. So I'm going back in with the comb, chasing it with the flat iron, and it comes out silky smooth. She got body, she got movement. See, it's still kind of like brown in some pieces and then pink in other. So it's 11:14 now. So it's probably been about, I can't. So one section's done. I just put some of the silk infusion in my hands and just detangling with that. So again, small sections, make sure you detangle, get all of those knots out, and then use the comb, hold it, and then chase with a flat iron. And that is, I think, like the brightest piece of my hair I'm trying to show you guys. Last piece. I might go through and do touch-ups, but I'm in a hurry. Ooh, well, kind of in a rush. She said don't rush, but I'm gonna rush a little bit. So that is the last piece in my head, and I did notice that it was a little bit frizzy, but I didn't have time to fix it here. But stay tuned towards the end of the video and I'll show you what I do to fix it. I'm gonna show y'all the back, but please keep in mind that my hair is curly, so it might look a little choppy. It's a little puffy right now too, but I'm gonna show y'all the back. It's probably uneven. Did you see it? Okay, because I'm turning around again. So this is what I use on my edges so I don't have to do any touch-ups or really do them. So I use this Remy wax stick and some argan oil. And yeah, we're finished. I feel cute. Ooh, get it, girl. Okay. So yeah, this is what I use whenever I feel like my hair is a little bit frizzy. I use this pink glosser, which helps with frizz, and some Blueberry Bliss hair growth oil. So we have reached the end of the video. It's been a few weeks now since I've straightened my hair. I'm gonna try to hold out a couple more weeks with my hair straight. We've gone through rain together, we've gone through workouts together, we've gone through buns. That's why it's got a little wave. That one touch-up that I did is all I've done. Other than that, just the wax stick and, you know, prayers. Anywho, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Videos come out every single Tuesday. And if you like my necklace, make sure you check the description box for a little coupon code and where you can get your own. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next Tuesday. Bye. Ooh. I got into K-pop over quarantine, and it's going pretty well.